Tonight is a very beautiful night, right? But this night is not just an ordinary night, especially for us, the senior high students, because this night, because this night marks an important moment for us, the senior high students, as we prepare to pass on the mantle of leadership. This key not just symbolizes our responsibility, but the trust and the legacy that we will leave behind. With pride, we entrust it to the next generation to uphold the school's values. As I pass this key of responsibility to you, I have full confidence that you will continue to lead with dedication and uphold the values that we hold dearly. Good luck to your journey ahead, my juniors.
Thank you for entrusting me with this key. It is an honor to accept this responsibility. I promise to live with integrity, listen with an open mind, and work with my fellow students to uphold the values of respect, hard work, and service. Together, we will continue the legacy of excellence that we have started, ensuring our school remains a place of learning, growth, and unity. Thank you.